Hi guys, welcome back to, I felt like my lights wasn't on. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. For those who are new, my name is NESHA, and for those who already been here, what I do, baby boo, welcome back to another video for 31 days of beauty. We're on the last week, kind of, sort of, well, yeah, kind of, sort of. I think it's only a couple more days left after this week, right? Am I mathing the math right? I think I am. But anywho, hello you guys, welcome. Today I was really on a struggle bus because I was like, what are we gonna do today? Because I grabbed my last little bit of palettes that I want to work with, and I'm still trying to figure out the color scheme and the order that I want to go with this. So yeah, I feel like I haven't done a purple look really at all. No, so I'm going to be using the Nabla. We're gonna say it's Nabla, but this is the Wild Berry palette. She looks like, yeah. So we're gonna do something with her. She's cute, little mini palette. I want to do something with it. So let me go ahead and zoom you guys in because I already got my eyes prepped and primed, and let's get started. I feel like today might have to be a voiceover day. Y'all, my kids is on 10 right now, and Daddy ain't doing his daddy duties right now. And it's like really. Anywho, let's get started with this look. The first shade I want to grab in is this beautiful deep color. Yeah, we're gonna go in with that one. And I definitely think I'm gonna go in with a cut crease. I think this is my first time trying anything from this brand. I wanna say I tried something from this brand, but I haven't. And I remember I bought a lot of palettes doing 21 Days of Beauty, the spring edition. This whole entire line, all the palettes was on sale for 50% off. And that was my first time actually being introduced to this brand. Oh, that purple is like really dark. I was like, okay, who is this brand? I ain't never seen this before. So let me go ahead and just grab majority of the palettes. And I think I picked up a total of 5 palettes from this brand. And that's kind of odd for me to grab so many palettes from a brand that I haven't tried. I think what gave me the reassurance, like, if I don't like it, I can return it because it's at Ulta, you know? So that kind of like gave me the comfort, like, it's okay. If I don't like it, then we can just easily return it to Ulta. But if I buy it off the website, then that's a different story, you know? So that is gorgeous. And like I said, I'm going to be cutting my crease today. All right, so the color I definitely want to put in my crease to help blend this out. I'm going to go in with this pretty purple shade. And we're just going to take that and slowly start building this up and sweeping it out. I really don't have that much on my brush right now because I'm low-key trying to blend out this colors already in my crease. And then I will start slowly grabbing more to build up. I definitely feel like I need to build that dark color back up. Yeah, I'm losing it with this purple. Honestly, what I should have done is use the light purple first and then went in with the dark. But sometimes I like doing it this way, and sometimes I like doing the other way, like I mentioned. And being that I wasn't familiar with these shadows, I definitely feel like I should have did that because I just feel like it's looking like one big blob color right now. Like I didn't get a chance to let this purple shine by itself. So that's okay. We can still make this work. So I do the same thing to the other eye. Before I decide to cut my crease, I'm gonna go back in with that dark purple. Just kind of really intensify it a little bit more. You know, I'm gonna use I'm gonna use the same brush. I'm just cleaning it off. I want to see if I add, because I feel like this purple is not shining the way I would like for it to pop. And sometimes you just gotta switch up your brushes. Look at that. Yes, okay. There we go. All right, so well, now that I have these shadows on, I am now going to cut my crease off camera, and then I'll come back and put one of these beautiful shades on the actual lid. And yes, we're going pretty high with this, but It's okay, I'm gonna put some more of my brow bone highlight to kind of like clean it up. So I did go pretty high. Yes, I did, girl. All right, crease is cut. I'm just making sure that I have it nicely cleaned. For this part, I think I'm gonna do one eye at a time. Okay, so there's about a good, there's one shade, I don't know, is it a matte? I don't know what texture that is. For sure there's two beautiful metallic shades in here. So I would like to go in with, I'm gonna try this. Let's try this one first. If I think it's too blah, then I'll go in with the other shade that I want to actually try. And this texture is like a little creamy, a little bit, just a little bit creamy. So I'm gonna wet my brush just a little bit. I'm gonna pop it in the inner. Cause I was gonna use this in my inner regardless, so let's see what it gives. Oh, you know what? It kind of favors that shade that was in the Morphe palette from the Madison palette that I use. But this formula is a lot better. Yes, I like this. I think I should put this all over the eyelid. I think. Hold on, let me think. Let me just do it halfway for now. I said I wanted to do a purple look because I haven't done one in a while. So I'm not going to put this pink, although she is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, I'm just going to take the same shade that's not really popping in the crease right now, which is this one. We're really going to make this into a purple look. So I'm going to place that towards the outer. Even with me patting the shade on. Okay, wait, that's better. Never mind. I was about to critique it again. So I think I'm going to stop here and then kind of bring more of that metallic shade. Yeah, we're going to leave it like that. All right, like I said, I'm gonna go back in with that color and kind of like overlap that purple. So it kind of looks like I have 3 shades in my eyelid when I don't. That is a really pretty color. No, this is nothing similar to that. Let me put a little bit of that dark color, dark purple towards the outer. Oh, this is really pretty, y'all. Oh my god. Let me, I can already tell once I pop on the lashes, like this look is gonna be on another level. But let me quickly put my brow bone highlight down because this is way too hot for my liking. So I'm just gonna grab some more of my brow bone shade and just tap it. Kind of like flicker it down. There we go. That looks a whole lot better. Yeah, okay. I'll be right back after I pop on lashes and stuff. All right, y'all, I'm trying out a new foundation and I think, I don't know how to feel about her. I think she's fine. I don't know. I don't know how to feel about it. Cause I feel like it's definitely too dark. I don't know. we're going to make this work. Let's put on some blush. I think I'm gonna go in with, let's do some pink blush. Pink and purple goes really good together. So pop on some pink blush. I'm gonna be going in with a Glam Light highlighter. I'm gonna do this frosty little skirt. Alright, we're gonna put KVD at the bottom part of the liner. I feel like my lashes are trying to lift on me. One thing that kind of like bothers me that my family does a lot, especially my daughter, and this is where I tend to lock my door a lot. They have the tendency of just always opening a door without a knock. I can be in the bathroom, I can be in here. Like they just always, hey, so. I'm like, just nah. It's like it's just a respectful thing to do. I really hate when people do that in public. That's of course I always lock the door, but still. Like, this is why, because some people don't have manners, and I teach my kids. I really do. I feel like they just don't understand and don't get it. Alright, that's pretty. I'm gonna add a little bit of some glitter glue. I have no clue where my shadow thing is at. And I'm just gonna put a little bit of NYX glitter glue in the inner. My desk is a mess. It's making me a little antsy right now. A little frustrated, just a little bit, you know. And I'm putting a little bit of my Essence mascara on. I'm doing a new lip today because the last time I tried to do a color lip, it just have not been coming out lately. So I'm gonna stick to what I know. I'm gonna stick to what I know. And y'all, my son, I don't think y'all can see it, but my baby boy, yes, my little 1-year-old, he bit the heck out of my lip. I went to go give him a kiss, and I kissed him like this, mwah, and he bit me. Now, I don't know what made him want to do that because he's never done that before. But the fact that he started laughing after, you know, I yelled because I was surprised, caught me off guard. So I said, ouch, really, really, really loud. And all he can do was laugh. And I was just like, that wasn't funny. That was not funny. Lipstick, I'm going in with the Melted Matte by Too Faced. I feel like I need to fix my lightings again, my settings. Alright, I'm gonna add some gloss. I'm gonna go in with the So Juicy by ColourPop. I'm like, since my lips are already half busted, let me go ahead and plump my lips up. Alright, I'm gonna set my face with my setting spray, my Neogen. Alright, so here is the final look. Y'all, I had to recurl this synthetic wig because I felt like some of the curls was falling out. And now I feel like I didn't curl this thing way too much. I feel like I need to put some layers right here and make this really feather. The only reason why I haven't really cut it because if I wanted to switch my parting, because this is one of those wigs where you can just put it anywhere you want it. But yeah, I don't know, I'm debating. This little palette did what she was supposed to do for today. I'm definitely here for it. Paired it with a purple top. Yes, I am going to work. So we're going to be purpling up today. And I like this. Okay, the foundation's growing on me too. Okay. Okay, we're good. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. Please let me know down in the comment section if you guys enjoyed the tutorial. And of course, don't forget to thumbs up this video as well. And obviously, I'll be back tomorrow with another look for 31 Days of Beauty. Stay blessed, stay amazing, and I'll see you guys then. Bye.